Hi there, students. Revolve or rotate? Revolving or rotating? Well, in theory, this is very easy. Something rotates around its central axis. It spins. So the Earth spins. The Earth rotates about its central axis. The Earth does one rotation in a day, and the Earth revolves around the Sun, and the Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the Sun. Now that seems easy, but when we get to our actual usage in English, the difference is not clear at all. So to rotate, to spin, to revolve, to turn around an axis of something else. So rotate is to spin on your own axis. To revolve is to spin around another axis. But maybe you could say the Earth revolves around its central axis. That would be good as well. But let's look at some exceptions to this in English, because I think that definition of revolve and rotate is a purely scientific one, and I don't think people use it. So, a revolving door. This is a collocation. You go into the building through a revolving door. You've seen a revolving door. Well, why are we using the word revolving? It's rotating, it's spinning around its own central axis. So a revolving door, that's not right. Or do we say a revolving restaurant or a rotating restaurant? Well, if you look in Wikipedia, the listing is under revolving restaurant, not rotating restaurant. And a revolving restaurant is one normally at the top of a building that rotates about its central axis, but we call it a revolving restaurant, not normally a rotating restaurant. So you see there are problems with this when it comes to usage. And I would say, unless you are an astronomer, unless you are talking about a physics experiment, I say there is no difference between revolve and rotate. I think these for general usage are synonyms, whereas in a scientific context they are not synonyms. They are in fact different. Let's see. Rotation. The presidency of the United Nations rotates from one country to the next. But it moves from one to the next to the next. This is revolves, or is it rotates? Okay, so again, this is a problem. Is it rotating or revolving? Normally we say a rotating presidency. The European Union's rotating presidency passed from France to Belgium. Or, for example, the tyres in your car. You need to rotate them. You need to put them in different positions. You need to move them round. You need to rotate them. But isn't that revolve? Because they're moving around a different axis. So rotate and revolve. Yes, technically the Earth revolves around its central axis, or it rotates. It rotates about its central axis, but it revolves around the Sun. Okay, so rotation, or to rotate or to revolve. I think the difference is something very technical. Okay, it's something that is is technical. So to revolve, to rotate, a revolving door, a rotating door. Okay, so the Earth rotates about its axis, but it revolves around the sun. There, that's the right way round. But I wouldn't. I really wouldn't worry about this difference. Let's see, formality. I think both of these words are 5 in formality. Use anywhere. And rotate or revolve. I'm sure both of these words come from Latin as well. So rotate or revolve, rotating or revolving, a revolving door, a rotating presidency, a revolving restaurant. Bye for now.